Hi everyone, my name is Nouri Almarimi. In this short video, I will present how to stop csDetector tool in your machine. First of all, what are community smells? Community smells could be defined as bad practice that found in poor organizations, social structures, software communities, and also could be defined as suboptimal patterns that are connected to suboptimal communities and open source projects. Here are some examples that are caused community smells: poor communication between developers, geographic distance, culture difference, time zone difference, and lack of face-to-face contact issues. In our study, we present 10 community smells from different domains and different concepts and open source projects. In our study, we identify a set of metrics that are related to community smells and that are related to organizations, social structures, and open source projects. And also we identify sentiment metrics that are related to community smells. In our tool, we introduce two main contributions. The first one features extractions and the second one community smells detection. First of all, we analyze the problem of developers analysis, and we then build our social networks based on different scenarios, comments, issues, and pull requests, and then we compute the sentiment matrix using the tool sentiment tool. Then we build our framework that contain all the metrics that relate to organizational social structures. In our approach, we use machine learning approach to detect community smells. To build our tool, we use different software techniques. We use Python to write our script, and we use Visual Studio Code and PowerShell to build our environment. And then we use Java to work with the sentiment tool. And this tool requires two APIs: GitHub API and Google Cloud API. To use the tool, there are two different scenarios. The first one and the faster one by the accessible file under Windows, and the second one by command line in Visual Studio Code. The first one, you have to download the tool from our GitHub website, then open the folder that contains the tool in command window in Windows, and run the accessible file with the right parameters. In the second one, you have opened the folder that contains the tool in Visual Studio Code, and run the PowerShell file to install all the packages and for a quick and simple setup. To run the tool, you have to pass 6 parameters. The first one, the parameter that work with GitHub API. The second one for the respective API, and the third one for Git repository, and the fourth one for the sentiment tool, and the fifth one for local directory path for our results, and the last one, the desired date to analyze the project. So let's go to our demo. First of all, you have to go to the tool website and download the tool from our website, and we already have it here. And just here is the tool, and go to the accessible file that contain the accessible here. Just copy this command and open CMD Windows and just pass the command here, the path here, and then you have to run the command line with the parameters, with the right parameters. We already prepared here. And just pass it in this window. It will take few minutes based on the project size. In this example, you have small project that contains 68 commits and contain 15 developers and contain 54 pull requests and 55 issues. So it should not take too much time. Here are the results. In this project, it has 4 smells with the last common date. In the second way to use the tool, you have to open the folder in Visual Studio Code. Open the folder here. Then you have to run the PowerShell file for simple and quick setup. to install all the packages and requirements for this tool. After starting download the packages and finish it, you have to run the main file with the right parameters. It will take few minutes based on the project size. It should give the same results for the previous use. Here are the results for this project. If you are interested, if you see all the information about the project, you have it in output directory folder, for the association tool graphs and the matrix files, as well as all the results. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.